Welcome back at Alchemist VA. So, ang tanong, is this a job right for you? Coach, pwede ba akong maging virtual assistant? Pwede ba akong maging executive assistant? Kasi hindi ako graduate. Wala akong experience as a VA. Um, may tatlong tanong lang ako sa inyo. Una, you can work alone. Kung kaya mo bang makatapos ng trabaho kahit wala yung boss mo sa tabi mo, kahit wala ka sa corporate environment? Can you work alone and complete tasks without being asked? Kapag ang sagot is yes, then you can be the VA. Another question, are you a problem solver? Bakit kailangan problem solver ang isang VA? Kasi ang client pwedeng iba-iba ang binibigay na task sa atin. And yes, possible na you are copywriter or a social media manager. Iniisip mo, syempre, baka, social media lang ako. Can happen as social media VA. Nagkaroon ng problem sa posting. How you can resolve that, siyempre maggo-Google ka, magre-research ka, titingin ka sa mga forums, magtatanong ka sa mga may experience na VA, and that's a problem-solving skills. Um, Answer this question, are you a problem solver? If your answer is yes, then you can be a VA. Then next question is, do you have a can-do attitude? This is important. Answering yes or no, meron ka bang attitude na, yes, kaya ko to, kaya ko kahit ano, because we need it. Kailangan malakas loob natin. Lahat tayo nagsisimula sa walang experience. Ako, wala naman din akong experience sa pagiging virtual assistant, sa pagiging social media manager. Kung naging issue ko yun, hindi ko makukuha yung dalawang international client ko ngayon na dapat meron tayo na you can do attitude. Kapag ang sagot nyo sa 3 question na to, I am those kind of person, then you can be a VA. Hindi mo kailangan maging graduate. Hindi mo kailangan maging college graduate. Or hindi mo kailangan ang experience sa pagiging VA. Ang kailangan, you can answer these 3 question with confidence, and I am very much assured after you complete this course, you have confidence and always here to support you. I'll be here cheering you sa lahat tayo sa community na to, uh, to support each other and everyone. I am very excited for your journey as a VA. Walang maiiwan sa pamilya na to. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.